Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of on the application of Chase. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Chase app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Chase, and then you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by liking.